Hi, and welcome to Cellcrypt Shorts. My name is Simon Bransfield-Garth, and today we're going to talk about the applications of voice security. Now, many of you will have seen our earlier Cellcrypt short where we described the way in which we do voice security on mobile phones. Instead of using a secured network, which is a very expensive and frankly difficult to prove way of securing voice, we use a mechanism where software sitting on standard mobile phones ensures end-to-end encryption of voice calls. And because that call is encrypted end-to-end, it means we can work over standard untrusted networks like the ordinary internet. Many people have asked, okay, so what are the applications for this technology? Well, clearly, one of the big users of this sort of technology are governments and military, police, and other official bodies. For many years, those organizations have had specialist equipment which enables them to have normal, secure conversations. But specialist equipment is often bulky, expensive, and makes them stand out in a crowd. And with this technology, people in those organizations are able to add software to their standard mobile phones and still have the benefit of secure calling, but from those standard mobile devices. But actually, this technology goes way beyond the use in governments and militaries, and is increasingly being used in enterprises and corporate applications. So imagine a scenario where you're an oil exploration company. Some of the most important information an oil exploration company has is the status of their wellhead operations. And in fact, one particular company bans the use of any kind of standard telephony to be able to communicate back the status of wellhead operations. The result, of course, is that people then have to be able to travel back to head office at regular intervals in order to be able to report what's going on. Well, with a solution such as Cellcrypt secure calling, it's now possible to be able to communicate the status of that wellhead operation without the inefficiencies introduced by forcing people to travel. In another application, people are using this technology in the financial services sector. Now, many of you will be aware that in financial services sector, there is a legal responsibility to be able to secure the information that those companies have. Cellcrypt can be used in order to ensure that the conversations between people within an organization, perhaps about information that is sensitive to that organization, or more importantly, information that is sensitive to the customers of that organization, is indeed kept secure and can't be intercepted by somebody else. And then there are other applications that perhaps are less obvious. A number of legal firms are using this technology in order to guarantee the security of conversation between an attorney and their particular client. Typically, the attorney will purchase a number of these phones and hand them out to their clients for the duration of the case that they're using. And therefore, during that case, all the conversations about the case itself occur over those secure telephony means. So I hope you can see that secure telephony is not just for governments and military. Secure telephony is something that increasingly is being used by enterprises and corporates to secure the valuable information that those organizations have on a daily basis.